4. Ken Paluta, popular song of the year.
Makuma.
Young winners in the war. Why?
Dope news also.
One upon Yaman I because group of the year were ye film. Then I was saying what
campaign? Yeah, they campaign for it to be brought
back.
How
can you tell me that a song say baby J another baby $1 what they charge one up Zomezo by Dope Nation? This song is not popular enough.
Yeah,
in seeing here an audience, and we should come and remind you artist of the year. What kind artist of the year and a chair there the whole night, the person will carry the night.
Yeah.
To see the likes of Kofi Kinaata. Why ye Juma
Chale
na artist of the year nizin one.
What drop first album ever?
Hey EP Kofi authentic Ghanaian songs.
I have a problem with somebody like Kweku Smoke. The youth and myself, we love Kweku Smoke. But let me ask, where is the PR? Yes, where is the PR? Kweku Smoke doesn't have the PR. Meanwhile, Ankaye Kenya artist of the year. Where release the album like wabo shows na ye ka shows a ye bo Ghana ha so we call miam kra ho Kweku Smoke medin cheerful loa ono na one artist okokones kobo show yes about back to Accra come back to Kumasi. He has the hardcore hip hop lovers.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Ebusia for what from VJ Park or Rich, I had me a Park or Rich Studios. Send subscribe, I'm Pocho. Bomazana Kwana subscribe and again share vibes. Today, you're busy or yeah, TGMA.
TG.
No, be only me per day here.
Of course.
PKB
original.
Where we day here. PKB Trumuka Kana, I did.
Okay.
I say,
okay. Or let me chop a crown.
In your headroom and I am say
one side.
And see Ghana Music Award and mean fatty in telecell and
Telecell.
Now I'm quite straight. Ghana Music Award for na year one not done there. We did them at top today.
We did them at top.
Yes. Because we have seen a letter. PKB show group in when I came exactly what they are saying in the letter.
Okay, so according to Telecell Ghana Music Awards 100 was social media, I would say the errors and omissions window is open until Sunday 23rd of March 2025. Send in your concerns to info@ghanamusicawards.com before the deadline. #26th TGMA.
Okay.
Yeah.
Inti asabnin chemang in there. What really is in nomination list? A man for Mankasa music and area about them side. And people have shown their displeasure on certain artists.
Yes.
What omit someone from certain areas. They have given people the opportunity there. One son, one prompt, one another, one throw. Now one throw I dream But that is where I have a problem. Because Ghana Music Award, it's been 26 years.
26
years of doing this.
Hey.
26 years of doing this. Na equal stage bia. In the system, and a mistake. And I saw a friend for the one brother one correct. So yo,
are we joking? Are we playing?
But anyway, let's go into Inwana. One way true now,
yeah.
First of all, Ken Paluta, popular song of the year.
Makuma.
Young winners in the war. Why?
What's snobbing?
Why do you buy every day? What's another mean you mean you're popular enough? What are you telling us?
I see.
We have the song on all political
everywhere
platforms throughout the year. And you mean banging and banging?
What's
What's that mean you mean you're popular enough? In TGMA, this song It's not the most popular song of the year. One brother one may explain in turn why this song should not be there.
Oh yeah, some.
Now let's go to a song like Zomeza.
Dope news also.
One ponyame na aye because group of the year we yi film.
What campaign? Yeah, they campaign for it to be brought back.
How can you tell me that a song say baby J another baby a dollar what they charge one up Zomezo by Dope Nation? This song is not popular enough.
Yeah, same.
In seeing here audience, and we should come and remind you. No, academy na board of now. What's one? Why you done? What is their business?
Now artists they can't remind artists and audience they can't remind you again. Say no. Omissions. Oh jeez.
Well. Another thing I'm on for so Warakasa Humbe the artist of the year.
Yeah, artist of the year category.
What kind artist of the year and a chair there the whole night, the person will carry the night.
Yes.
And my problem is that on not just the artist who win on that day. But your name gets into that category now.
Yes.
It's a big statement.
It's a big deal.
To see the likes of Kofi Kinaata. Why ye Juma?
Chale.
Na artist of the year, Nizini one.
What drop first album ever?
Hey. EP. Kofi. Authentic Ghanaian songs.
EP.
He's the only artist that, let me not say only artist, but or your artist that listening section in was streaming.
Yes.
For the whole world to watch. Kofi Kinaata is the musician now. Show your bobobia and it is streamed. Talk of international shows. But one thing that in America no am dangin there is PR.
Public relations.
Yes.
A lot of the artists needs to take this thing serious. And I have a big problem. Many artists need be a very big problem on this. She sako the no money enye bibia PR Stoneboy. See. And yes, you're not saying I told news and say Stoneboy has assigned a new PR because he understands and he knows what PR can do to his brand. But I have a problem with someone like Kweku Smoke. The youth and myself, we love Kweku Smoke. But let me ask, where is the PR? Yes, where is the PR? Kweku Smoke doesn't have the PR. Meanwhile, Ankaye Kenya artist of the year. Where releasing album like wabo shows na ye ka shows a ye bo Ghana ha. So we call miam kraho Kweku Smoke medine cheerful loa ono na one artist or Kokones Kobo show yes about back to Accra come back to Kumasi. He has the hardcore hip hop lovers but PR is not there. Artists they need to take PR seriously because Charlie you can't be in these conversations when you don't have PR because Charterhouse is a corporate entity and your PR has to be it has to work. It may release some type of songs it is targeting to this. Or because I'm empowering there, but bro, you need these awards to be able to add them to your brand. It's all part of the packaging. What's the settings?
Now, let me tell you something people don't know. You see, Urban Ghana Music Award, I want. Robert's
Clark.
PR na New Run our friend and Charterhouse New Run.
Oh, maybe finishing.
Damn Nigerian.
The Nigerian lady.
Yeah. See, in your Ghana, you mean na what's it? Bokwa kwhwem po na would say jazz. Robert Clark na ron opasa umpo chenenyom. Even though he is a music person, but opasa wo chenenyom.
There is a hierarchy.
Yes. And so it is not everything about music. In the what say they fall on certain board in the academy to help them make these choices. But the honest truth of what mean there, see, Echo Academy no bra. Obi when bia no artist be ni DJ. Obi or you affiliated to or you radio presenter or you
Jolly that seven I will kind of say.
And these people are people centered in Accra.
Yeah.
And so when it comes there, one thing common one project the other artist a be our Volta or dominate Western region or dominate your friend and then Upper West and Azana. They have no idea because they are not on the ground.
Yes.
That the buffer will go academy no do better than way we pass warrior no pa. There is this guy who's been trending on TikTok. His name is Records GH.
Yeah,
I am the Lion King.
Yeah.
Offrey Apaho baby. But trust me, I wouldn't be surprised if I don't see this guy at the unsung category.
Unsung category.
Because these people on the academy, they don't know and follow him. But the boy is doing well.
Yes. And so Jalid Bessie, you know such a situation. Or Ombeka will say, Omu nim into fa sound music box but na be born you know academy meeting I say no muti ansana.
Just look at this.
Jalid situation
just look at this. See, we are telling you, TGMA, an artist like Kofi Kinaata needs to be on this year Artist of the Year. Yankado, one fat Artist of the Year man, but Nedruma Wayan.
Yes, you need to recognize it.
Don't bother them because there are certain names there. And I remember Kada may bring Obinizina another name brand another may rubbish Obini work. But there are certain names there Kofi Kinaata work than them.
Yes.
Now one person I always said and Kade who also a family. Peter a bomb. Family Aquata Cradi a bomb. And this guy was not recognized.
Charlie.
Was Artist of the Year. And Chumala Brentier needs a new pack needs a two. Peter and a family. Now, so one nominate Peter Mpango, one nominate family Artist of the Year. TGMA, what is your explanation? Why family, upon all the great works he did here and the review, you win Artist of the Year?
I'm some information, bro, before.
Why your family defe? Why your family defe?
Punchlines.
That's eternity. Now let's go to somebody like
Amrado.
Amrado have a good year.
Yes.
Kwekwa Nancy.
Hey, Charlie.
I say to cross from rap to singing and to be successful in your Biana Afaman. But this guy, we saw him.
Yeah.
New red card jumping go high. Shows to shows. Amrado listing shows bass or beer bass or show win. And then you have the balls to eliminate Amrado from the Artist of the Year. Now, Artist of the Year, and why you miss Kafubia and other bad.
Oh,
Sabi, one nominate one, you know, be alarm for Grammy Bay. And so, what stop this new crop of artists from representing on the Artist of the Year?
Me, I'm the class. I could come as no.
Ati, Sabi, man, can you be here? Ebony or Wimpo, Yano Artist of the Year movie. Inti se mo pede ye kasa keka. We are here to talk.
Yes. We'll do
and
the
some
talking
of these
too.
artists, them American, Ghana wapenwa wakasa.
Yeah.
So Kofi Kinaata, I wadwin na wodi timu move. Waka bibia orokodo. Waka bibia orokodo. Na kwesi kumsi na be kukwansa. In the 2 bars. One year deda. These people will always take food from your mouth.
Yes. PR.
Kinaata.
Public relation.
Kinaata. Odzano hu dadaw.
Yes.
Corporate artist, LinkedIn Artist of the Year. Or when isn't it dadaw? But the Artist of the Year crown, one channel, one financial, a man who will deliberately sweep him aside.
Yes.
And so we need to also back. Well, one question their portfolio only. Portfolio only on behalf of Kimpaluta. Last year.
What's that too?
Yes.
On Facebook, yes.
Last year, since you had portfolio on what there. VGMA Langado. Portfolio about VGMA Langado. Since you start to up with defense Kimpaluta.
Charlie.
It's every park also me TGMA Langado na mo boma Kofi
Kinaata.
Or say BBR. You don't spoil anything.
Nothing spoil.
And so please, we have seen your letter. You sent it. Petition number 23rd
March.
If we still
let's update the
Zomezo.
we go carry them go court.
Makuma.
Charlie.
And there is something they don't know about the people of Takrade. What probably won't be Kwame Joko too. What can you show me what Takrade? They were supposed to make Kwame Joko to the MC because he was the hottest MC there. And what they are crying MCs because people were standing there, they were looking them like toys. What one day? It's TGMA why you adwene the Ghana Music Award no be your nominees jam no water crowd. First of all venue crowd no we yaze no wo ho inti baby abenya no obo wechi. So it takes a very important reason to get the audience there. Inti isn't for Kinaata na Baba Kinaata denia
we dey also on be to a consultation
on a ba crowd there make sure that the audience if you are crowd ba I know ma that crowd for bo hwe wanyim watsena men Spain wa ka chere do or record team move while in a bay. And so guys, this is what we have to share. I don't know if there are other observations being
I mean this year, maybe I be write it to them low key through the omission mail, but I mean Charlie, they need to do the needful. Basically, Sakode
and Equiatili said
yes,
Equiatili to be other artists. What do you think?
No, I think I agree with it. I disagree with it totally. Charlie, Big Smoke. Yo, Big Smoke. Yo, Big. The only reason Tilly can come and say this is because I think the PR doesn't exist. Hey, say you mark Kweku Smoke, right? Right? Kweku Jesus. Onya good PR. Not run it consistently for a year or two. Tilly can come here and tell us, say, Big Smoke doesn't deserve Artist of the Year. The work Kweku Smoke is doing, yo, Okon classic Obo show. How many artists na net? Uyi highlight for anything, na band for anything. Why am I go classic Obo shows? No, almost also here. But Big Smoke wakes up every single time. If you check him out on the social, especially Snap, he goes out there to play the shows. Kweku Smoke so bad list shows are wabo the year under review. Come on, ebia mona moon follow no, yeah, fine. And some of the songs, yeah, in a way, but Charlie, we the youth, we believe in Kweku Smoke. And when we want to talk about Artist of the Year conversation, he has to, he's in there. Now, 3 Music Day, didn't you see the outcomes? Yeah. But Charlie, it's just unfortunate. So me, if any of the team from Kweku is listening, they need to take PR serious because PR is the deal now. Stonebwoy, PR, Olusu PR, or probably for Sheho.
One thing about Stonebwoy is that Stonebwoy himself, he knows how to talk.
He knows how to talk.
Chief Styles knows how to talk.
Yes.
His wife, Dr. Louisa,
they know how to talk.
Still, onumpo wa PR.
Yes, so the other artists are more for PR seriously.
It's Kweku Smoke. The smoke cannot speak for you. It would only give us signal that there is some fire burning there. We wouldn't get to know what is happening.
Yeah.
So it's better.
Tilly, in a few years to come, Tilly will come and rewrite that tweet. Oh, come on. Kweku Smoke. Kweku Smoke dig every corner. Kumasi, Sunyani.
The reason why I'm not making so much noise about Kweku Smoke is that I really don't know how he's operating or how he's doing. But I can see that he has some huge following who are far from my generation.
Yes.
So I understand that you were generational favorites.
Yes.
And so maybe his people, when Papi Kojona Jobi was singing,
they had their audience, they had their people, and they pushed.
Yes. You see these SHS boys now, the way they were dressing. So Papi, my friend, Kweku Smoke, if truly, per what PKB is saying is something to go about there, then I think we should have him in that conversation.
Yeah, he has to be in the conversation. Kweku Smoke is up for the conversation.
But so when I feed Artist of the Year and won't do Timidity. Yamfanya me Samano Tunchen Defe was the only song from them.
The only song.
And the controversies around it. And you know for and yes, of course, the guy Kwame Mickey came to tell them that the song is a song.
Yeah, of
course.
Now I
settle
backyard.
It's Sabi. What was the best artist of the year? I style be. I don't want drop one day. Now what did to move Kashawo? That's because I know awkward move.
Damage control.
You understand? PR no. Yes. And people are also saying like people actually can understand Kofi Kinaata's songs.
Oh no.
But the Mrs. Auntie Kofi Kinaata and your man Sibiano. Kofi Kinaata boy your man. Offer can ombre me fee. And me church anymore. I'll do that. Minjin is for free. You understand? And so guys, this is our own
more of editorial, conversation for the TGMA 26th edition. Yeah.
Robert
Clark.
1 year, they should step up on their game. And after that, you realize and Komobi Brown.
Yeah.
We are out of here.
Peace.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.